I bet we get 5 phone calls a day of customers who would like to hang florals or candles or chandeliers over the top of a table, and they don't really understand the mechanics of that. Sometimes we have a frame or some other way to suspend things from the ceiling, but sometimes you just don't. And that's where our new Ansley comes in. This can be adjusted. It's a rectangular frame, and it's 21.5 inches deep. It's 5 feet 3 inches from this side to that side, and you can adjust it from 5 feet tall up to almost 10 feet tall. It has a crossbar in the center, so not a crossbar, but another support here. So you have 3 places to hang things. It can hold a lot of weight. We don't know what that weight is, but we'll try to figure that out for you. But this really answers that question. You plop this on a table and you have your overhead installation. We can't wait to see what you guys do with this. You're going to absolutely love them. Right now we have them in white and gold, and they can be powder coated any color.